क्या आप आईटी सेक्टर में कम रिस्क लेके लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते हो? देन दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू। इस वीडियो में हम लार्ज कैप आईटी स्टॉक्स को फंडामेंटल पैरामीटर्स के बेसिस पे असेस करने वाले हैं। वी हैव डिवाइडेड द पैरामीटर्स इनटू कोर एंड सपोर्टिंग फंडामेंटल पैरामीटर्स। इन द एंड ओवरऑल बेसिस पे हम इस सेक्टर के टॉप 3 स्टॉक्स की लिस्ट देंगे। ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज वॉच दिस एंटायर वीडियो टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन सा स्टॉक किस पैरामीटर में टॉप परफॉर्मर है। If you like our video, then don't forget to follow us and share this video with your friends. हो सकता है जिसके पास फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस करने का टाइम ना हो, उनके लिए ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल हो। Let's start with the first core fundamental parameter, which is turnover growth rate. We will be assessing this parameter based on compounding annual growth rate for the last 3 years. The assessment criteria being higher the better. Number 3 on the list is Infosys. Infosys का last 3 years का turnover growth rate रहा है 13% per annum. Number 2 on the list is HCL Tech, whose growth rate has been 14% per annum. And topping this list is Larsen & Toubro Infotech with growth rate of 19% per annum. Our second core parameter is growth in operating margins. In this parameter as well, we will look at the compounding annual growth rate for the last 3 years. The assessment criteria being higher the better. Number 3 on the list is TCS with CAGR rate of 11% per annum. Second on the list is Larsen & Toubro Infotech with a growth rate of 12% per annum. And topping this list is Infosys with a CAGR rate of 14% per annum. Now let's move on to the third core parameter, which is operating cash flows for the last 3 years. This parameter assesses the actual cash flow of the company from its core business activities. The assessment criteria being higher the better. Number 3 on the list is HCL Tech with a 3-year average growth rate of 34% per annum. Number 2 on the list is Tech Mahindra with an average growth rate of 36% per annum. And topping this list is again Larsen & Toubro Infotech with an average growth rate of 43% per annum. Now let's look at the supporting parameters and their top 3 stocks. The first parameter being debt equity ratio. इस parameter से हमें company की borrowings in comparison with equity का पता चलता है, and therefore the assessment criteria being lower the better. Number 3 on the list is HCL Tech with a debt equity ratio of 0.06. Number 2 on the list is Larsen & Toubro with a debt equity ratio of 0.01. And the top stock on the list is Infosys and TCS with 0 debt. Moving on to the next supporting parameter, which is dividend yield. इस पैरामीटर से हमें पता चलता है कि किस कंपनी ने इन्वेस्टर्स को सबसे ज्यादा डिविडेंड दिया है, and hence the assessment criteria being higher the better. Number 3 on the list is TCS with an average dividend yield of 2.23%. Second on the list is Infosys with an average dividend yield of 2.51%. And the top company on the list is Tech Mahindra with an average dividend yield of 2.71%. Our next supporting parameter is return on equity. Return on equity एक प्रॉफिटेबल रेशियो है जिससे पता चलता है कि एक कंपनी अपने शेयर होल्डर्स फंड पे कितना प्रॉफिट बना रही है, and therefore assessment criteria being higher the better. Number 3 on the list is Infosys with an average return on equity of 25% in the last 3 years. Number 2 on the list is Larsen & Toubro Infotech with an average return on equity of 29%. Top stock on the list is TCS with an average return on equity of 37% in the last 3 years. Our last supporting parameter is price earning ratio. The assessment criteria of PE ratio is basically lower the better. मतलब जिस कंपनी का PE ratio कम है, that stock is available in the market at a cheaper rate than its competitors. हमने सिर्फ उन कंपनीज का PE ratio assess किया है जिसका net profit margin is more than 15% to give a better perspective. Number 3 on the list is Infosys with a PE ratio of 33.08. Second stock on the list is Wipro with a PE ratio of 27.21. And top stock on the list is HCL Tech with a PE ratio of 23.22. Now let's look at the top 3 stocks of large cap IT sector based on all the discussed parameters. Number 3 on the list is Infosys. The second stock on the list is HCL Tech. The top performer of IT large cap segment is Larsen & Toubro Infotech. These are the discussed parameters for the stocks. नाउ लेट्स सी इन तीनों स्टॉक्स ने इन्वेस्टर्स को लास्ट 5 इयर्स में कितना रिटर्न दिया है। इन्फोसिस ने इन्वेस्टर्स को लास्ट 5 इयर्स में अराउंड 200% का रिटर्न दिया है, दैट इज 40% पर एनम। HCL टेक ने लास्ट 5 इयर्स में 160% का रिटर्न दिया है, दैट इज 32% per annum. And topping this list as well is Larsen & Toubro Infotech with a 5-year returns of 540%, that is 108% per annum. Please note that the intention of this analysis is not investment advisory but only to give you a fundamental perspective of these stocks. Please consult your financial advisor and evaluate other parameters as well before investing. If you like our video then don't forget to follow us and share this video with your friends. हो सकता है जिसके पास फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस करने का टाइम ना हो उनके लिए ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल हो। In our next video, we are going to assess the large cap stocks of pharma sector. So follow us and stay tuned. Also let us know in the comments below कि आप किस सेक्टर में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हो. We will prioritize that sector for you in our upcoming videos.